Alright guys, what's up? My name is Zana and welcome back to another tutorial. Well, this is not a tutorial, but it's gonna be followed up most likely by a tutorial. So what I wanted to show you guys today is a little application that I've been working on. It's been a quite a new type of Java programming for me. So I was quite interested of making a tutorial. And the reason I enjoy making these tutorials even more is because it's a kind of like a recap for me too. So while I'm teaching you guys, I'm actually teaching myself again, so not forgetting it. So it's a benefit for me and benefit for you. So here's the application. So I'm just going to go into my programming Java. I've called it JManager. So here it is right now. I'm just gonna preview it pretty much in this video. I think I can fit the whole one. Okay, yeah. There we go. That's about right. Okay, so as you can see, this is the startup. So it's JManager login. I've got a register tab, two tabs up there. So login and register. I'm gonna start off by showing you the register. So let's say if I'm a new user, I type in my name. I'll just say Zana Aziz or whatever. And then for the email, I'll say null control at gmail.com. Age, I'll just say whatever, 20, whatever, it doesn't matter. Username, let's just say null control, right? And the password, we just set a password, which is, I don't know, right? We just say null. Okay, so let me just push this up a little bit. So we click the register button, and it says register successfully, logging you in now. So let's click OK. And now we are logged in. So if you can see, I don't know if you can see this, but up there, as you can see, it says JManager null control. So we are logged in right now. A couple of things right now. What you see in this table, so this table right here, where there's all this list of stuff, this is actually connected to a MySQL database. If you don't know what a MySQL database is, it's pretty much how stuff is stored in the programming world. When you get into complex things, well, any complex program, you don't always store stuff in variables and stuff, because variables get destroyed as the program is exited. So once the program is exited, the variables are wiped out. So we don't use that. So what we use is databases. Databases are stored in the cloud, basically on the internet or whatever, in servers. You place it in the server and it stores information in a table. Yes, database is a table. It's a table that stores information. So this is my table right now. So this table is basically a list of all the accounts that I made. It's a simple project, but you can use this method to make, for example, online stores. Like you can say, buy and sell stuff online. So all that. You can use it for a lot of things. So right now, as you can see in the first column, we have ID. So what this ID is basically any user that creates an account gets his own unique ID. This is therefore later on, which I'm going to get into the search section, but later on when you want to monitorize your application or your website, whatever it is, right? It's going to be very difficult searching for names, because there might be someone with the name of John, right? You search for John, there might be about 10,000 different Johns, and you're not going to know which one is who. So what you do is you search it by a number that's unique to that specific John that you're looking for. So that's why we use IDs. Next we have names, then the age of whoever the email, and then the username and the password. Right? What the cool thing is in here, you can actually, I'm gonna push this up a little bit. Right? Cool thing is in here, I can click on any user. For example, Joe Hoyston, whatever. I just made up these names. Right now, as you can see, as I click on these databases, or these what are called records in SQL language. When I click on these records, it's John Patrick right here. As you can see right there, all his information comes, and this makes it possible for me to edit it. Right? So let's say John Patrick contacts me and says, "Hey, I typed in my age wrong. Can you please change it to 27?" So I say, "Okay." I'll just change the age to 27, and then I go down here and I say save, and it says record saved, and let's go to John Patrick right now. John Patrick is now 27. If he says, oh wait, I'm actually 30, I click that, save, and look, John Patrick is actually 30 now, so that works pretty well, right? Another thing is, very quickly, I'm just briefly, you can delete records. For example, I can go in here, click on this guy, Leon Nord or whatever. I can say, you know, delete him. So I delete the record. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure, and it deletes him. You can refresh. That's just nothing. You can add, make accounts for people, which I'm not going to get into right now. But anyways, well, actually, I will just say. So I just type in some nonsense. It doesn't matter. This is just for. Whoa, what happened there? Age. Right. So I type in his age is a huge number. So I click add. Where is it? Yeah, add. And it says record added. Let's see if it is added. There it is right there. The stupid words that I typed in, and now I can go in and click delete. Yes, I'm sure I want to delete it, so it deletes it. So pretty cool, huh? Next thing, like I said, searching. So here's the search tab that I've made. I'm gonna be, if you guys really want it, I'm most likely gonna make a tutorial on how to do all of this. So here's a search tab. Ideally, what you like, really advanced search tabs, what they do is every time you type in a letter, it's constantly searching in the background. Now I tried this, but it made my program very unstable. I was probably doing it wrong. But anyways, on to what I have right here. So if I type in, so as you can do this combo box right here, so it's an ID, or you can search for an ID, a username, a name, age, or an email. So let's click ID first. Let's type in an ID of maybe 16. We're going to click search, and as you can see, ID 16 is Leo Dobos. Or we can search for ID of 21. Let's click search. Oh, then that's me. Oh, that's actually my ID. Coincidence. Next, we can go into username, and we can search, for example, I don't know, John. Right. So we'll click John. Search for that username. Yes, there's John with the username John. Next, we can search for name. So I can search for my name, Zana Aziz. Right. So I click search. And as you can, oh look, see, there's two accounts because I just made another account with the name Zana Aziz back there, and then I made one in the beginning. So right now there's two accounts. So as you can see, it works perfectly with multiple accounts if there's if it pops up. So there's two accounts with the name Zana Aziz, so therefore it shows the two of them. Next, we can search by age. So I say show all the people that are age of 16 or whatever, or age of 34. It shows me one person's 34. So if I say 21. It says one person's 21. If I say 19, whatever, nobody's 19. Let's refresh it for a minute. 15, there's a lot of 15. So let's say search by the age of 15. And as you can see, there's 3 people that I put in that are the age of 15. We can search by email too. We can say, I don't know, some emails, I don't know. For example, yeah. So we can say at gmail.com. So we're going to be searching for this. Search it, and there he is. As you can see, he has the email of Connor at gmail.com. So that's pretty cool, right? The search works. Everything's fine. It functions very nicely. You can log in and out. So if I run the program again, I haven't made a log out button yet, which I might add. So as you can see now, with the account we made, we can just type in our username was null control. And we can put in our password, click enter, and now it's signing us in, and we are successfully signed in. I can log out and sign in with a different account, which I closed. Damn it. So for example, if I log in with my like with John, for example. So if I log in with the account John, I can go John. I'm pretty sure that's the password. Yep. So if we logged in with John, as you can see, it says JManager logged in as John. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It puts it in the title, whatever you're logged in as. So that's pretty much the overview of this application. I hope you guys like this. I'm pretty much going to be making a tutorial, but it's not going to be coming out in a bundle. So it's not going to come out all together, all the parts. It's going to be coming one by one, possibly 2 or 3 videos a day, maybe. Two videos at least a day. I'll try, but other than that, because I have a lot of school stuff, so I'm not going to be rushing it at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be making a tutorial for this pretty soon, and yeah, so I'll see you then. Peace. Peace.